Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. Okay, so I finally got both of my Ipsy Glam Bag regular bags. I almost said plus, but I didn't get that this month because of the Glam Bag X. But I do have two regular, obviously, $12 glam bags. And as you know, every month I do like a battle of the bags. So we go between my two different profiles and kind of see how accurate they are and figure out which one goes to which profile. Now, one of my profiles is my true profile, my true age, light brown hair, green eyes, all that good stuff, and that I prefer very neutral colors, skincare, and stuff like that. My other profile says I am like 25, I think I put, brown eyes, I think red hair, and that I'm very comfortable with makeup and bright colors and stuff like that. So let's dive right in, see what's in the two bags, see which is which. And I don't know if I got any add-ons, or I think I picked up a couple things with points, but I don't remember. Now, with the regular $12 glam bags, we do usually get cards with these with full descriptions of everything that we're getting in our bag. Here are the bags this month, and I am actually a huge fan. I think these are adorable. I love the pink with the flowers. I really like them. I haven't been a fan lately of some of the bags we've been getting, but either way, here is the card for this month's bags, and the theme this month for May 2021 is Flower Power. And the pretty flowers. And inside my card are all the items in this bag. So the first thing I've got is from Goldfaden MD, and I do really like this brand. I've gotten several things from them in the past through my subscription boxes, and I do really like it. So this is what it looks like, and it's the Pure Start Detoxifying Facial Cleanser. Obviously, this is a sample size, but the full size retails for $35. The next thing is from Hey Honey, and again, this is another brand I do really like. And this one is the Boost It Up Honey Rich Moisturizer. So I'm looking forward to trying that one. The full size of that one retails for $52. I don't recall Hey Honey being that expensive. Do you? I don't know. For a moisturizer? I mean, I know they're not cheap, but that is really pricey. I don't know. Okay. Next is from The Balm, and this is what it looks like. I always love their packaging. And this is the Antidote Tinted Moisturizer. And it's in number 26. So I don't know if that's going to match my complexion. The last couple things I've gotten have been too dark for my complexion, so hopefully this one will work out, and I'll definitely give it a try. I do have a tough time with tinted moisturizers because I have oily skin, so a lot of them tend to not really agree with my skin because I get too greasy. So anyway, this obviously is a sample size, but the full size retails for $24. Next, we have by Glow on 5th. And I haven't ever gotten anything from this brand or tried anything. And this is what it looks like. It's kind of glared, if you can see it. And this is Bye Bye Puffy Eyes. I don't really get like really big bags under my eyes, so a lot of times I don't use stuff like that. But I'll definitely try it. Any under eye thing is okay with me. The full size on that one retails for $24. Okay. And then last but not least is from Basic Beauty. And it is the Smooth and Blur Primer. Okay. Okay, it says translucent powder, primer. I'm sorry. I automatically think powder. Hold on, let me read this a little bit more. Okay, it says this is a full size. And it retails for $16. I have never gotten, I did double check and read it. I'm thinking, okay, is it an eye primer? No. It says it's a face primer. And it retails for $16, and that this is the full size. Yeah, no, I call bullshit on that. I wouldn't pay $16 for, like, that sample looking size. Okay, so that was my first bag, and obviously, as we can see, it's pretty much all skincare except that tinted moisturizer, which technically is still kind of skincare. So I'm guessing that is probably my older bag. The profile that goes with my true age. Older, not the younger one. Now, my next bag. And again, the same adorable little bag. And the same card with all of the goodies inside. Now, the first thing I've got is a brush from Complex Culture. Complex Culture. Obviously, this is a full size, and this brush itself retails for $18. And it's supposed to be an all-over eyeshadow brush. So, I am definitely very, very happy to get a brush like this, because I've actually been really liking this brush brand. These brushes, I always feel like they've got like a good weight to them. And so that's nice. Definitely very soft. It'll work perfectly for all over color. It's got a nice density. So I'm super happy about that one. Next is from Skin & Co. Roma. And it's the Citrus Amaro Hand Cream. Okay, this is the deluxe sample size, and the full size retails for $12. I'm like stumbling through my words. Next is by Looks and May, or Me Cosmetic, and it's an Infinity Sleeping Lip Mask. Okay. Oh, I love stuff like this. And it says this is a deluxe sample size, and the full size of this lip mask retails for $16. Okay, that's what the inside looks like. It doesn't really smell at all. Oh, it feels really nice. Oh, I'm gonna love that for my lips. I love stuff like this. Okay. Oh, I still got two more things. All right, next is by Context. This is a full-size item, And it's a nail polish that retails for $15. So let's look at the color. I have been getting a lot of nail polishes in my boxes lately. Oh, look at that. I actually really like this color. Last but not least is this, which is by Item Beauty, and it is a lip quip in the color Come Through. So that looks really cool. It is a deluxe sample size, and the full size retails for $12. Okay, so I honestly, and let me know if you disagree, but I kind of feel like this month, telling between my two profiles is kind of really easy, because the bag I just did has got more of the makeup items in it, the lip mask, the lip gloss, and all that good stuff. So I feel like that's my younger profile. And then the other bag with all of the skincare is my older profile. What do you think? Do you agree? Let me know. Put it down in the comments. Let me know what you think. Do you agree with me, or do you think I've got them switched and you think the other one goes to the other profile? Put it down in the comments. Okay, that's it. That was my Ipsy Glam Bag for May 2021 and my monthly Battle of the Bags. Thank you as always for coming to hang out with me. I do appreciate you so much. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe. Smash that subscribe button and the notification bell. Click on all notifications, because not only will you get notified of new videos, unboxings, and stuff like that I do, but you'll also get notified of the other stuff that I've been doing on my channel that include community posts and shorts. I've added a lot of spoilers, new release products, brand sales, and discounts that are going on, in addition to mystery boxes. So I do check every day on the internet and look for deals for you guys, and I do try to post it on my channel. So if you want to get stuff like that in addition to my unboxings and giveaways, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay, love you guys bunches. Thanks again, and I will talk to y'all soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.